So I had a question come through in the comments. Well, it wasn't a question, it was a request. Just to let the tyres down to 16 psi, pump back up to 40, see how long the pump from Kickass takes to do that. My tyres are actually on 55 psi, so I'll just do it this way rather than take the valve out. Take a little bit longer, but should be right. Let this down to 16 and then we'll pump it back up to 40 and we'll time it. So that's 16 psi. It's a 265/75/16 tyre. Obviously different size tyres will take different amount of times, but 16 psi, we'll take it back up to 40, see how it goes. We're using the Kickass pump, which is a brand new one. It's just arrived. Turn it on, the switch is up this end. Single cylinder. We've got no power. Yeah. So we've got a stopwatch. Start. We're taking it up to 40 and we're timing it to see how long it takes. At 2 minutes it was 34 psi. So we're at 40 psi. And it took 2 minutes 46 seconds. So that's the test. 16 psi to 40 psi on a 265/75/16 took 2 minutes 46 seconds. If you get anything out of this video, hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel. Patreon link in the description below if you want to support the channel. Catch you on the next video. Take care. So there are the stats. Kickass super powerful air compressor, 160 litres per minute. It says there 12 volt, maximum pressure is 150 psi. The amperage it takes is 45 amps, I'm guessing per hour, and the airflow is 160 litres per minute.